Hello everyone, welcome back to KnowMed with Dr. Ali Zamir. Today, we're diving deep into a topic that affects every cell in your body. Electrolytes. We all hear about electrolytes, especially in the context of sports drinks and staying hydrated. But have you ever stopped to think about what electrolytes actually are and why they're so crucial for our health? In this video, we'll uncover the mysteries surrounding electrolytes and discuss practical tips to ensure we maintain a healthy balance. Let's get started. Electrolytes are minerals that carry an electrical charge when dissolved in fluids like our blood. These electrically charged minerals are essential for a wide range of bodily functions. Think of them as tiny electrical conductors that help our bodies communicate and function properly. Key players include sodium, potassium, calcium, magnesium, chloride, bicarbonate, and phosphate. Each of these electrolytes plays a specific and crucial role. Sodium maintains fluid balance and nerve impulse transmission. Potassium is crucial for muscle contractions and heartbeat regulation. Calcium is vital for strong bones, muscle function, and nerve transmission. Magnesium is involved in over 300 bodily processes, including muscle and nerve function. Let's explore the critical roles of electrolytes in our bodies. Electrolytes are involved in numerous bodily functions, and maintaining the right balance is crucial for optimal health. One of the most important functions of electrolytes is maintaining hydration balance. Electrolytes, particularly sodium and potassium, regulate fluid balance inside and outside our cells. This balance is crucial for our cells to function correctly, transport nutrients, and remove waste products. Beyond hydration, electrolytes are essential for muscle function. When muscles contract, it's a complex process involving potassium, calcium, and magnesium. These electrolytes help transmit nerve impulses to the muscle fibers, initiating the contraction process. Electrolytes also play a crucial role in nerve function. Our nervous system relies on electrical impulses to transmit messages throughout the body. Calcium and potassium are particularly important for nerve impulse transmission. Lastly, bicarbonate helps maintain the pH balance of our blood. Our bodies give us signals when something is amiss, and electrolyte imbalances are no exception. Recognizing the signs and symptoms of an electrolyte imbalance can help us take timely action. One common sign is persistent fatigue or tiredness. Muscle cramps, particularly due to potassium deficiency, are another telltale sign. Athletes often experience muscle cramps during or after strenuous workouts due to electrolyte loss through sweat. An irregular heartbeat or palpitations can also signal an electrolyte imbalance. Electrolytes, particularly potassium, calcium, and magnesium, regulate heart rhythm. Digestive issues like nausea, vomiting, and diarrhea can also be signs of an electrolyte imbalance. In more severe cases, electrolyte imbalances can affect brain function, leading to confusion, dizziness, or even fainting. It's important to note that these symptoms can also be indicative of other underlying health conditions. If you experience any of these symptoms persistently, consult with your doctor. Early detection and treatment are key to preventing complications associated with electrolyte imbalances. In the next chapter, we'll explore some of the common causes of electrolyte imbalances. Stay tuned. Electrolyte imbalances can occur due to a variety of factors, ranging from lifestyle choices to underlying medical conditions. Understanding these causes can help us make informed decisions to maintain a healthy electrolyte balance. One common cause is dehydration, which disrupts the balance of electrolytes in our bodies. Dehydration can occur due to inadequate fluid intake, excessive sweating, vomiting, or diarrhea. Our dietary choices also play a significant role in maintaining electrolyte balance. A diet lacking in essential electrolytes, particularly sodium, potassium, and magnesium, can contribute to imbalances. Processed foods, often high in sodium but low in other essential electrolytes, can further exacerbate these imbalances. Certain medical conditions like kidney disease can disrupt electrolyte balance. Medications, particularly diuretics, can also alter electrolyte levels. Diuretics work by flushing excess fluids and electrolytes from the body through urine. Hormonal imbalances, such as those associated with adrenal insufficiency, can also disrupt electrolyte balance. Other factors include excessive alcohol consumption, prolonged fasting, and certain medical treatments like chemotherapy. Understanding the various causes of electrolyte imbalances empowers us to make informed choices. In the next chapter, we'll discuss practical tips to maintain proper electrolyte balance. Maintaining proper electrolyte balance is crucial for our overall health and well-being. Fortunately, there are several simple yet effective strategies we can incorporate into our daily lives. One effective way is by consuming a balanced diet rich in essential electrolytes. Bananas are an excellent source of potassium, crucial for muscle function and heart health. Spinach, packed with magnesium, supports muscle and nerve function. Dairy products like milk and yogurt are good sources of calcium. Incorporate other electrolyte-rich foods like avocados, sweet potatoes, beans, lentils, and nuts. Staying adequately hydrated is paramount for maintaining electrolyte balance. Aim to drink plenty of fluids throughout the day, especially water. Consider incorporating electrolyte-rich beverages, especially after workouts or during excessive sweating. Coconut water, naturally rich in electrolytes, is an excellent natural alternative to sugary sports drinks. If you have any underlying health conditions or are on medications, regular checkups with your doctor are crucial. Monitoring your electrolyte levels through blood tests can help detect any imbalances early on. By adopting a holistic approach, we can ensure our bodies have the electrolytes they need to function optimally. Electrolytes are essential for your body to function properly, from regulating your heartbeat to ensuring your muscles contract correctly. Make sure to maintain a healthy balance for overall well-being. I hope this video helped you understand the importance of electrolytes and how to keep them in check. Remember, a balanced diet, proper hydration, and listening to your body are key. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more informative content. Stay healthy, and see you in the next video.